In this video, we're going to go through the best trending Redbubble niches right now that have very low competition. Let's go. I'm going to go to Merch Dominator, go to the Redbubble module and click on trending searches. Over here, we find all the latest trending searches for Redbubble along with their competition and a few other filters such as showing keywords with 1 word, 2 word, 3 words, 4 words or 5 words or more, as well as the marketplaces, of course. You can exclude keywords, you can do all sorts of things. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sort by low competition like that. We already got some very low competition niches, but I'm going to also filter by 5 words or more. This way we get long quotes, not very short quotes or 1 word keywords. That's not going to help us really. So let's click on search. And as you can see, we've got some very low competition stuff. And to check this keyword on Redbubble, we'll simply click on it like that. There you have it. We've got 32 results only. Let's click on the title here. As you can see, it's trending. So it's a no-brainer. There's literally no competition in this niche. Now let's keep going down. What I typically look for is niches that sound like they don't belong to a celebrity or a movie or a series, something like that. So as I'm scrolling down, I found this one right here. Let's click on it and there you go. Only 26 results. Let's check if it's trending. Yes, it is. This niche sounds like it's working in stickers really well, so you could potentially get inspired by it. Now let me show you a trick to see if this niche is selling for these sellers or not. I'm going to right click and open this item right here. And I'm going to click on the shop name and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose best selling instead of most relevant. And as you can see, they've got it in their featured collection, not only 1, but 2. This means that they want to promote this design. This one right here, as you can see, best selling and best selling as well. So that's how we know, guys. Now, the next niche is let's talk about mental health, brain. Let's open it on Redbubble. There we go, guys. Trending, only 28 results. So you just got to jump on these niches quickly. It's doing well in stickers as well. The next one is creative minds are rarely tidy. Let's check this out. Yes, it is trending. Only 30 results. Not that much. This one sells in stickers as well. The next one is this one right here. Don't honk at me. I'm having a crisis. Again, open it. Is it selling? Yes, it's trending, guys. Only 32 results. There's another one. It's a good day to teach 2nd grade. Yes, it is trending. And as you guys can see, there's only 26 results. Not many. And you know, with this niche, you can scale it. You know, you can do, it's a good day to teach kindergarten, preschool, pre-K, 1st grade, 3rd grade, etc. Let's check 1st grade, for example. 44 results. There are plenty of opportunities. You just need to dig deeper and find hidden niches. And this is the best way to find them, guys. There's another one. I'm not always grumpy sometimes on my motorcycle. Yes, it is trending. As you can see, you've got the arrow going up. Only 34 results. As you guys can see, this one sells more in t-shirts. So you can play around with t-shirts, stickers, phone cases even. You just need to keep testing. The next one is I have it on vinyl. Yes, it's trending. How many results? 60 results only. No excuses, guys. You need to start selling. No excuses. And this one has stickers and t-shirts. The next one is this one right here. My wife is hotter than my coffee. Let's check it out. Yes, it is trending. It's got 272 results. Not many. You've got mugs, t-shirts, stickers, many options. Let's check this one. Presidents of the United States of America. 713 results. Not many. Got stickers, t-shirts, but mainly stickers. Even socks. Now go out there and start designing. No excuses. By the way, guys, Merch Dominator doesn't only have Redbubble. You've got plenty of options for merch by Amazon, an incredible tag generator, keyword suggestions for Redbubble, popular searches. You've got other POD inspiration like Etsy, Spreadshirt. You've got KDP as well. You've got holiday calendar, trademark search, trademark scanning for all the marketplaces, a full-fledged keywords module as well, trends tool, AI tools, AI quote generator, niche generator, AI listing creator as well. You've also got designer, literally all in one place. And there's going to be an extension coming soon and many other tools all in one place, guys. And at the moment, there's a 50% discount where you can use this coupon code 50 off and you get the tool for $24.50 per month instead of $49. And if you go for the yearly option, that is the better deal because you get 2 months off on top of the original discount. So it works out about $245 divided by 12. That's around about $20 per month. And if you guys need the Merch by Amazon account or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. Watch this video next if you want to learn how to start a print-on-demand business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.